Let's explore where you can find reporting and statistics in LimoExpress and how these tools can help you make better decisions. In the menu, scroll down to the Statistics section. This will open the general report displayed in chart form for a quick preview of your data. First, you'll see the number of accepted driving orders, showing how many rides each driver accepted. Right next to it is the number of rejected driving orders, highlighting how many times each driver turned down a ride. Next is the number of driving orders per vehicle, a bar chart revealing which vehicle was busiest. Next to it, you'll find earnings per vehicle showcasing the most profitable vehicle. At the bottom, there's the number of driving orders per month, indicating the best performing months, and earnings per driver detailing each driver's earnings. If you scroll back up, you'll find more report types beyond the general report. Cost effectiveness displays earnings, expenses, and profit per car per month. Vehicle utilization shows how frequently each vehicle was used. Lastly, there's a report by clients covering both external and partner clients. It details the number of trips per client, the price, and the amount. It's important to note that all reports can be filtered and downloaded as PDFs. By leveraging these tools, you can optimize your fleet's efficiency, enhance profitability, and ensure better service for your clients.